All right, I hope my voice is pretty good. Hello, everyone. I'm Puya, the creator of Fallout 76 mechanics in Fallout 4 mod. And what this mod really is pretty self-explanatory. It's um, the remake of Fallout 76 mechanics that are missing in Fallout 4. And it comes in two versions, one with everything and one with only scrap all junk. I'm going to talk about that. But let's just go over it right away. So we have, so first of all, just to give a very quick description, this mod is fully compatible with the level up menu, the Pip-Boy tabs, and You're Exceptional. That's actually one of the things that this mod uses. All these three are recommended, they're not mandatory, but for the best experience, having these three mods is a mandatory thing. Like for the best experience, I'll go over why. And I mean, these are just prerequisites for some of these mods in general. Like that's a really good mod list to start with. Make sure you're on the latest version. Let's just go over it. I'm gonna first of all show it with the level up menu and all the Pip-Boy tab stuff, and you're exceptional. So let's just start it. I have a little test menu that I have for us. So we're gonna go to F76, QA smoke. I might just like freeze here for some reason. Like that's just how Fallout 4 base is sometimes. I hope I don't freeze. Okay, I don't freeze. That's good. So that's just your exceptional. Like once you're out of the vault, like the game actually finishes, you're gonna have when you first open your Pip-Boy or what so on, you're gonna have this whole thing, and you get to choose this. So this mod really goes over multiple things. So, as you guys know, for those of you who have been using your exceptional mod, this mod has like a lot of stuff, skills. So, one of the main things that my mod would use is the salvage skill and the repair skill, which the repairing skill is basically tinkering. These two are very used in my mod because that's what the whole system is based off. Salvage is for scrapping, and tinkering is for normal. So let's just go over. I'm just gonna tag both of these for now, and I'm just gonna also do science just because. Let's just tag it. Let's just do whatever. I'm just like choosing whatever. All right. Just getting started here is a little annoying. All right. I think we are good to go. Yes. Just gonna make a quick save. Ignore these little things. This is just my little test route. So this mod obviously, we have if you use the Pip-Boy tabs and you're exceptional, the good reason for all of this is you have access to skills and more advanced stuff as well as my mechanics, which we're gonna go over. So Fallout 76 has mechanics that Fallout 4 doesn't have, including but not limited to weapon conditions, repair systems, and basically scrap kits and stuff like that. Scrap all junk. We'll go over that. So I'm just gonna start by like picking up a gun and an ammo for it. Very simple. Let me just pick this up. And we have condition just like Fallout 76 down here, or Fallout 3 or New Vegas, whatever you want to call it. I picked the best out of all, so we can combine them with Fallout 4 mechanics. So we have a whole apparel, like as you can see, like we have a condition for every item, and all of these are assigned like accordingly, and it's balanced accordingly. I have to playtest a lot. But anyways, so like all of these are random, by the way, once you pick them up. So let's just have it test out. So we actually have the whole condition menu down here. As you can see my mouth, I'm gonna keep shooting it. And this thing would actually affect your fire rate and so many things. Like it's basically a real condition thing. And the better you are with your skills, the less it wears out. Because I just started the game, obviously my skill is a little, wonky, but it's pretty good. We have also, so I mean, obviously, also made some console commands just because, to make things easier. Just called web mod weapon condition. Let's say the current weapon. I'm just gonna set it to 1 out of 100. So if I shoot it once, boom, your weapon is broken. Same thing is gonna happen with your armor once it breaks. If someone shoots your armor, your armor is gonna break, and you can't equip it anymore until you repair it. And we're gonna go over repair right now. So actually, because I'm not gonna have enough materials for repair, but
Yes.
I'm gonna showcase it for armor because it needs less materials. So let's go to weapons workbench. So also here we have the condition list as well. And we have three new buttons added for you guys. Again, these are all vanilla friendly. You can play this mod without any other mods, basically just this, and it would still suffice. But I would recommend you, again, I keep recommending it so you play with other ones because here is when the skills would be actually really used. So, as you guys know, scrapping all junk is not a thing in Fallout 4. So right now in my inventory, I have like what? I have like a bunch of scrap stuff in my inventory. I have like actually a bunch of them right now. I have so many. And some of these are basic materials and some of them aren't. I mean, at this point, I don't think some of them are. I'm just gonna pick up some like I have some scrap like shovel. Yeah, disc fans. Gonna go here and we have scrap all junk. And when you press it, all of your junk will be scrapped. So basic Fallout 4 does not have this, as you guys probably know. I'm not still clicking that just because I want to show you. We can do store all junk, but that's just gonna like store like it's not gonna really scrap them. So that's gonna it's not really useful for us. But we have this scrap all junk, and we can actually scrap these things, and it's really 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 useful. Um, it's very very useful for everyone trying to do it. And well, for repair, right now I'm like lacking oil, like one oil for this gun, but can I repair this one? Sure. Now we can have repairing for these as well. Boom. Fully recipes, fully everything. For this one as well, I have a repair kit, a weapon repair kit that I picked up from the ground. It was all the way over
Yes.
there, and this is what it's called, weapon repair kit. And you just go here. I'm just gonna repair it. And by the way, the repair cost is always calculated like automatically based on how much the condition is. So like let's say if you guys are here, you have to pay less compared to when you're like all the way down because it's already repaired, right? So for example, yeah, I'm gonna repair it right now with materials and it's gonna fully be repairable. And we can actually make use of it. And the damage will go up again, the fire rate will go up. Um like we have So we have everything. So obviously this works with melee weapons as well. Like if let's say I like pick up this baseball bat and I have this. Let me set this condition as well to mods weapon condition to let's say one out of 100.
You're
If your
dead.
weapon is broken, well I'm just gonna fight. But my armor is actually taking damage and it's gonna like go down as well, by the way, just like accordingly. And it's all based on damage resistances. Every formula of like the old Fallout games and Fallout 76. I'm just gonna reset it back. Same goes for armor, really. Like you can do the same thing, exactly same thing for armor. Like let's say I have a bunch of scrap armor here laying around.
Yeah.
This guy lets me. Okay. Um, I can obviously scrap all junk in here, and I can obviously repair them. And it will be all back up. The value would also be accordingly, and like the value will change. So I thought this would be a really useful mod for a lot of teams in
Yeah.
general, mods, and well, it's really it makes it very easy as well. For those of you who don't want all of this extra stuff, this fancy stuff, you can only have the scrap all junk, and that would basically suffice if you just want that functionality for your vanilla Fallout.
Yes.
But I really recommend you guys to play it with the Pip-Boy tabs mod and the you are exceptional because you can have way more. Because for example, if you don't have that, the salvage skill, which is the scrap skill, would be just calculated based on your agility instead of that. So I thought, people can make use of this. Let me know how it works. There's obviously fixes to come if there's any problems that I encounter. So far, everything's looking good, but you never
Yeah.
know. Well, because there's a lot of complex stuff on the background that I had to come up with and basically like do. So if there's any issues, I gotta like look over them, but pretty self-explanatory. By the time of this video, the mod page hasn't been up. I'm gonna probably make it so that these repair kits are
Yes.
also every trader would have it randomly around the world, like no matter what mod or whatever you play. So that's one thing I'm gonna do. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Fallout 76 mechanics and Fallout 4, pretty self-explanatory.